All right, this is Mr. Rocha, and this is a video from me to you to show you how to begin coding. Because some of you are a little confused or nervous, I want to make sure that you do this correctly. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that you're logged in to your app. The next thing you need to do is to make sure that you have all 12 of these screens. If you do not have these 12 screens, you're going to have added work while you are coding. Okay? So make sure you click on code, and we'll start with the title screen. So right now we're in block mode. That means if I pull out a block, I can see it. I don't want to be in block mode. I want to go to show text. So everybody click on show text, and you're going to click on line 1, and you're going to hit twice the backslash. I call it whack. So whack whack. That's the key that is on the question mark. Okay, it's on the question mark key. And then I'm going to type in, so I do whack whack, and then my first screen that I'm coding is my title screen. So I'm going to go 00 dot title screen code. Now students always ask, do I have to do it the same way, Mr. Rocha? Blah, blah, blah. You write your comments however you want to write them, but you have to have that whack whack in there, or else you're going to get a red error. Okay. Now that I have my comment code in there, I'm going to click on show blocks. And on this page, I only have one button that I need to code. So I'm going to grab one on event, and I'm going to grab one set screen. And the name of this button, you can see down here, is 00 dot start button. So I'm going to click up here on line 2, and I'm going to find my 00 dot start button. There it is. And I want this start button to go to my 01 screen. I want it to go to my 01, which is down here. Right? So when they click this button here, it's going to take them to this screen. Okay? So let's find out if I did it correctly. I'm going to hit run, and then I'm going to click on start, and it worked. So I'm going to click reset, and now I'm going to change my screen because I just finished coding my 00 screen. I'm going to go to my 01 screen because I want to code this screen. Okay? Now, I'm going to go back to show text. I'm going to click on line 5 and hit the enter key on my keyboard, and I'm going to do my whack whack, and I'm going to type in 01.toc screen code. All right, I'm going to go back to my show blocks. And if you're wondering where am I getting this information for my comment code, it's my screen up here. It's the screen name. Okay, so now I have 4 buttons here. I have 4 buttons. Now, a lot of you only have 3 buttons because in block 2 and in block 3 we had a discussion, and a lot of them wanted to put a back button on this screen. So I put one here as a demonstration. If you want a button on this screen, like block 2 and block 3 students did, then you simply create it. Okay, you go into design, you grab a button, click it, and the name for this button will be 01.back button. Okay, that's the name for this button if you want it. All right, going back to coding. So I have 4 buttons. So because I have 4 buttons, I'm going to bring out 4 on events. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 4 set screens. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There is an easier way to do this, but I'm not going to show you because you need to learn how to do this first. Okay, I'm going to code these in the order that they are showing up on my screen from top to bottom. Okay, from top to bottom. So my first button is my beginner button. So I'm going to click on the 01 beginner button, and my beginner button will take my user to my 0A table of contents screen. And my advanced button, my 01 advanced button, will take my user to my 01B. So 01A advanced, or 01 advanced, sorry, 01 advanced is going to go to the 01B table of contents. And my resources, well, I haven't given you that information yet. So I'm going to code it here. And I'm just going to delete everything inside those quotation marks, not the quotation marks, just the information inside there. Okay, you're going to get a little error, little triangle, but don't worry about it. And now I'm going to code my back button. I'm going to code my back button. So that's my 01 back button. And that's going to take my user back to the 00 screen. Again, if you don't want this button, don't put it. You don't have to have it. All right, now I'm going to click run. I'm going to click start, and my beginner button should take me to my 01A. There it is. And I don't have anything coded here, so I have to click reset, run again, start, advanced. It takes me to my advanced screen. Again, nothing is coded, so I have to click reset, run, start. I don't have this one coded, so it's not going to go anywhere. Look, yep, going to give me the error message, and there it is right there. I have my back button coded, and it works. Okay, so I'm going to close this out here. Oh, I'm not. Oh, well. Okay, so I'm going to go to, there it is right there. I'm going to pause this, or you're going to pause this and come back to the next video for coding the 01A screen. Okay,